Hey Millionaire Minders, I'm back with another awesome video for you guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make $100 per day with Twitter. And this is a very unknown method. I don't think a lot of people actually know about this method, and it is actually super scalable. There are top brands on the internet doing this method, making 6 figures plus a month. Now, I'm not saying this is what you're going to earn, but this is the potential, and this is how big you can eventually scale to. And this is a worldwide method. There's just 2 websites that you need to execute this method, and it's actually super easy to do. Like, it's literally copy paste, and it's really easy to do, and it also doesn't require huge amounts of work. It may take 1 or 2 hours of upfront work, but then it can become very passive, which is very cool. And this is also an amazing strategy for beginners. So if you're new to the online world, this is great for you as well. And I'm going to give you some step-by-step strategies, or the step-by-step process on how you can do this. So after this video, you're going to learn exactly how to do this. And I'm going to give you a realistic example of somebody doing this method and earning a lot of money with this method. And the best part is you can start right now after this video, and you can start immediately. But without further ado, enjoy the video and let's get straight into it. So as I mentioned, there are 2 websites that we are going to be going to real quick in this video. And the first website that we're going to be going to is called Thief.co. Now, Thief.co is a website that presents to you the most viral and high selling products on AliExpress, which is one of the biggest and cheapest online stores in the world. And there are many people making tons of money off this website. I'm going to show you how you can integrate this with Twitter and really find viral products and get viral on Twitter with these products. And because this is unknown, that not a lot of people are doing this, this is a fantastic time now to get involved with this opportunity. So I mean, if you have a look, if you sift through Thief.co, you can see things like a programmable dev tech smartwatch. Like that's really cool. Like, that's a really interesting product. There's essential hand oils, humidifier, product photography, turntable, a rose garment steamer. And there's actually one that I found already that I think is really got a good potential of going viral. If I scroll down, I actually saw it over here. You can see this is one that I actually thought that is really a great product. It's something that everybody would use, and I think it's something that a lot of people would find interesting, is a rechargeable hand warmer. So you can see this is what the product looks like. It's currently going for $7.41, and what you can do is you can get this product for like $19.99 if you resell it yourself, and you get a ton of profit on that. I mean, this is a basic rechargeable hand warmer that you can recharge. I suppose it will suit people in the colder countries. You can recharge, you can take it with you anywhere, and I suppose it's really useful for people that, you know, that want this product. It's not a very popular product that you see in the shops, so that's why I think it's something that can really go potentially go viral on that of social media, and in this case specifically Twitter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to Twitter. Twitter is probably one of the best websites at the moment to do the strategy, and you can also use Instagram, I suppose, but first stick with me so you can see how this works. And you can see if I go to a page called Quotes, I'm going to show you a page that is actually doing this, or people that are actually doing this and really making a lot of money. And you can see Quotes currently has 4.7 million followers, and what they are doing is they are retweeting people who are promoting this product. When I say people, you can see Ashley tweeted here, "Alex got me the sweetest necklace today," and you put the little bubble in the lights or photograph in it, and it says "I love you" in 100 different languages. P.S. he got it from the link where you can buy it from, which is really cool. So what you're doing is you're making this seem like a genuine tweet. You're making this seem like it's organic. And what these people are doing is these aren't actually real accounts. These are fake accounts one person is creating, and they're basically retweeting each other's tweets. You can see that this fake account, Raquel, retweeted Ashley's tweet, and what they will do is promoting, these 2 people are the same people in their tweet, making it seem organic. And then what they do is they will go and contact big Twitter pages such as Quotes, Puberty, College Student, for example. These are great examples that you can use in this video, and they will ask them to retweet. They will basically pay these pages to retweet. And for example, you could say for the hand warmer, my mom got me this amazing hand warmer today. You literally can charge it and take it wherever you go. It's amazing for going out on trips or long drives or cold walks in the mornings. And you can say, "P.S. she got it for me from the link that you're selling it from, or the link to the product." And then what you do is you create a fake account, you retweet that tweet, and then you go to big pages like quotes, and you pay them like $20, $30 to retweet it again, which exposes your tweet to millions of followers, in this case 4.7 million followers, and the engagement is really good. And if you can see, if I scroll down here, they do it again. You can see Raquel, the same account, and Deborah, another fake account, which is by the same people, is I'm wearing my anklet with my boyfriend's initial on a t-shirt with his face on it. Ask me how proud I am of it as a GF. So you can see it is really like, it seems genuine, and this way of advertising is certainly going to be far more attractive than cold advertising. You can see if I click on show the thread, it's got the link to the product, and what this person will do is they will then come over to quotes and pay them to retweet this specific product and get exposed to a ton of people. You can see in this case 4.7 million followers. So you can see the potential you can earn. I mean, quotes is not the only page you can use. You can use college students. I mean, this, you can see maybe it's got to do with gadgets and electronics. So you can come over to the electronics section on Thieve. If I come down, an Anker Soundcore Fabric speaker, which is like a Bluetooth speaker that could also go viral. There's a wood smartphone lens case for a phone that looks pretty cool. There's a Insta360, it's a 360-degree camera. This is something that can definitely go viral. So I mean, you can go and find technology pages on Twitter and pay them like $20, $30 to retweet their tweet. I mean, you can get access to a network of 4.7 million followers. And there are brands doing this and getting tons of sales doing this because of the fact they're just so smart in the way they copyright their specific tweet and attract an audience or attract the people when seeing or when retweeting these tweets on the bigger pages. Because I mean, put yourself in that of a follower's shoes, and you see something like this, you know, like you think, oh, that's actually really sweet. That's a really nice gift idea. It's not cold advertising. You know, I really want this for my girlfriend or boyfriend. It's the odds of people buying something off a tweet like this is much higher than that of cold advertising on like Facebook. You can do this on Instagram as well. So what you can do is you can screenshot this tweet and like pay, I don't know, a viral page on Instagram, like $30 for the day to post a story or a post and include the link in the bio, for example. So you can target Twitter and Instagram doing this method. So, I mean, you can see it. This is all you need to do. So all you got to do is you got to find viral or evergreen products. So evergreen meaning like environmentally friendly products. You can build fake social media profiles on Twitter, retweet the tweet with those fake social media profile to make it seem organic and good looking content. So you're going to make it seem organic and legitimate, and then you're going to pay the bigger pages to retweet that specific tweet that you've retweeted with the fake account to make it seem like real organic sales and organic advertising, which is amazing. I mean, you can see if I come back to this one, you can see my boyfriend doesn't even text me good night, and then like Alex got me, my boyfriend got me this sweet necklace. So it really seems organic, and it's a very smart way of advertising. So this is the strategy I have for you guys. Comment down below what you think of this. I'm actually going to try this out myself. I'm going to see if it's going to work. You can also use Amazon. So if, as a bonus, you can go to affiliate-program.amazon.com and you can go get your affiliate links for Amazon products and include your link in these tweets, which will get you commissions on your sales, which is amazing. I'm soon going to reach 2K subscribers, and I promise you, I made a poll where I'm going to give $10 of PayPal money away. If the person who wins this doesn't support PayPal, I will just give it via Bitcoin. So what I want you to do is to participate in this competition. Comment down below some valuable quote that you found, your favorite quote, and I will do a random selector in the comments, and whoever wins, I will contact them via the comments or Instagram, and I will send them their $10 to PayPal money. So that's how you can get involved with that giveaway. And also, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below with the notifications on so I can send you a message every time I upload an awesome video just like this one. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.